A very good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain the 6th chapter of your civics book. The topic is rural administration. There are more than 6 lakhs villages in India. To fulfill the need of water, electricity, road connections, presence of some administrative body is essential. Besides, taking care of all these, land records have to be maintained and conflicts need to be resolved. In this chapter, we will study about the large machinery to work upon the problems in rural areas. We will also get to know about the work of two rural administrative officers, namely Patwari and Tehsildar, in detail. The chapter starts with a description of a quarrel. The quarrel is about a boundary wall. Raghu shifted his boundary wall and took over some of Mohan's land. Thus, he increased the size of his own field. But as a result of it, there was a huge quarrel. In order to resolve the quarrel, Mohan, along with some witnesses of the incident, went to the police station. So, the local police or the village police station is the first place that one should go at first to resolve any sort of dispute or any quarrel with people. It is the duty of that police station to inquire, to investigate and take action on any cases within its area. But in cases related to land, the function of a police station becomes limited. Measuring land and keeping land records is the main work of the Patwari. The Patwari is known by different names in different states. In some villages, such officers are called Lokpal. In others, Kanungo or Karmachari or village officer, etc. Each Patwari is responsible for organizing the collection of land revenues from the farmers and providing information to the government about the crops grown in that area. It is important for the Patwari to regularly update the records of land and crops grown in that area. All states in India are divided into districts, and these districts again have subdivisions. These subdivisions of a district have different names such as Tehsil, Taluka, etc. The head of this institution is the district collector, and under him are the revenue officers. These revenue officers are also known as Tehsildar. They are responsible for a lot of things. They have to hear disputes. They also supervise the work of the Patwaris and ensure that records are probably kept in a proper way and land revenue is collected. They make sure that the farmers can easily obtain a copy of the record. Students can obtain their caste certificates, etc. That's the end of this chapter. Thank you.